For this gadget, I got it here, Architect pouch. Look at this Velcro, really nice and stone. This side here like a roll. And what we got in here? First of all, we have a couple of things for little things, maybe like a lighter. Let's see if I have anything smaller than that, like a little light flashlight right here. I really like this one a lot. You can stick it in here. Just think of whatever. How about a little pen by Hendrik? It is a pen, you see, and a window breaker. So then we have a little CRKT bump. That's a vintage, really nice knife. Hard to find. The button to release it is right here, you see, so unique. So maybe we can stick a knife a little bit deeper, like right here. Ooh, nice. This actually like stretches. That's good. Okay, what else we have here? How about EEES fire striker, but also has a little dry pocket. Beautiful with the compass. So always need a fire striker. We have a lighter, but just in case this as well. Either way. How about a pen? Pen is kind of nice to have. This is bullet spin pen. All you have to do is flip it sideways. Some cool EDC stuff. Let's see. I probably can stick it in here, kind of big. And you know what's cool? I could probably stick some of it next to the knife. So multiple things, because the pockets are pretty big. How about tops, knives, spork? I have showed you guys before. This thing is amazing. Fits in there. This one a bit too big, so that's something to consider. So that will not work. How about this? What is in here? A pouch of stuff. Oh, that's cool. Can we fit it like arrowheads? A whole thing is that in here? Yeah, it's the same really good brand. We can stick it in here or close it and pop it in here maybe. Kind of too big, so probably I'll have to go with this one. Obviously we'll need a multi-tool. Comes with a pouch. You know it's cool, without a pouch it won't take as much space, but what if I want a pouch with me too? Will it fit? Pretty much almost full. And I don't know, since we have a fire striker, we need some kind of tinder. How about a candle? This is UCO, like 9-hour candle. Stick it in here, fits it well. Okay. Ooh. Maybe this pen should go in here. That way it locks in much better. Ooh, we stuffed it. And let's see if we can roll it up. And this is nice because this is stretchy. Stretch up one side, then stretch out the other side. Ooh, look at that. It closes it. And we did it on maximum. So this probably what we'll do is just Velcro it together like this. Let me adjust a little bit. And you don't have to plug it in, you can just Velcro it on top of each other. That's amazing. What would you bring with you? Maybe throw it in a car, you always have this kind of thing, so a bug out bag. So that way you can pull out all your tools, unroll it, and you right away see everything. This one probably a bit too big here, but little things like a flashlight, it's perfect for this kind of tool. And then you unroll it and you get whatever tools you need. Super easy to take it out, even keep it on it while you're working. So you have like a little holder for all your tools, and then you organize it back together when you're done. Got right here a very unique carabiner right here with a titanium option, max load 280 pounds, which is 230 pounds. Maybe we'll try it out. I'll hang in it or something, see if it will hold up. So the way you use it, it says right here, not for climbing, is put it through here, and if you need to set up a tarp for, I don't know, firewood or like cover up some stuff, you hook it up for whatever and pull it on this side, and it shouldn't come off. You see, I just tighten it up. This is nice. And whenever you want to release it, just lift it, put it to the side and take it out. Super easy. A panel 13. This right here, oh, giant folding knife. Check this out. So what we're going to do today is use it as a machete, see how good it's going to work. Oh, definitely not the best chopper, but I can do it. Look at it. And if you need to clean the stick, very high quality. So in case I want to make a like a camping real fork for hot dogs and stuff, not bad. Check this out. So let's see. Yeah, it's definitely not full-on machete. It's just too skinny. But yeah, very surprising and interesting knife. So clear brush really well too. So in a sense, this is the folding machete. Very unique, that's for sure. What do you guys think? Would you use it? Got it here, Night Seeker 2 cap light, or any kind of like a clip light. You can clip it to pretty much anywhere, onto your backpack sideways, and have a little light. So, whoa, that's bright. Some kind of LED, and obviously you want to have a green light whenever you hunt. That way animals don't see you. If you have to turn on the light, you use the green or red light. So there's a cap. You plug it in like this, and that way it can go up and down. Let's see how bright it is in the dark. So this is what it looks like. I can adjust it easily, and look how bright that is. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, I can see everything with my head. That's pretty nice. And then if you want to use the other light, the green light, so that way the animals don't see you or the light. I'm not really sure if you can see. Look how bright everything is. Everything is just in the green light. Pretty awesome, don't you guys think? Same thing, you can clip it onto your shirt, and look how much light it gives away. Everything is lit up. And green light. Wow, this is nice. Got it here, 5-Pit Pro Orion. This is a Flare Company Ultimate Outdoor Fire Starter. It's hanging outside, comes with a bunch of them. This is what it looks like. Let's go try it out in a wet day. Just a crisscross technique. Let's get this going. Open this and open this, which is keeps it dry. Start it, and I'm gonna stick it right in the middle of it, something like that, and then cover it up a little bit. Okay. Wow, that is ultimate fire starter. Check this out. Very powerful. It's burning the sticks really well. And then we'll add on to it. It's still raining a little bit, and it probably will dry out this moisture really quickly. Okay, I had to open it a little bit and direct it right onto the stick, and we want to put the smaller sticks down there. Okay, looks like it's starting to burn. It's still really moist. Kind of have to constantly adjust it a little bit, make sure it's pointing onto the smaller sticks. But look at that, it's really moist on the inside, somewhat on the outside. Once this smallest candle get going, the bigger candle will start burning as well. Look how wet that stick is, all the moisture coming out. It's drying the sticks out so well. You see, that's an indication of the moisture or the wet wood. It's steaming out from it. And it's the red flare look to it. It's just indication that it's still going hot, the candle. And look at that, we got the fire going. That fire starter almost burnt out, just a little bit left, but actual sticks are really hot. And you see how they all steaming, the moisture coming out from all of them. Really wet wood. With that fire starter, no problem. You see some of the sticks already burning out to be completely done. But all of them are really wet. Look at that. So that fire starter can get the fire going with a bunch of kindling pretty easily.